So far 14 people have entered my giveaway. And I put 14 American lock keys in the box. Each contestant has a number on my list. The list could be found in the pinned comment in my giveaway video. I'm going to gently shake the box and retrieve a random key from it. If the key opens the lock, you won. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1 is out. Maybe number 2 is the lucky winner. Maybe next time. Number 2 is out. Number 3 is up next. Number 3 is not the lucky winner. Here's number 4. Number 4 does not open the lock. On to the next one. Both of these fellas wanted to be number 5, but there can be only one number 5. Number 5 does not open the lock. Number 6 does not appear to be the right choice for this lock. This is number 7. Number 7 does open the lock and ends this giveaway. Congratulations, number 7. To receive your prize, email me with your information. My email address is in my bio. Everybody, thanks for participating. I appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments what should I prepare for my next giveaway.